Using an Exact Pipe Beveler. Changing the bevel head and the bevel tips. Open the bevel head cover nut with a hex 5mm key. Turn the cover clockwise and detach it. Use 17mm and 19mm keys to open the bevel head attachment. Detach the bevel head. Use TX15 key to open and close the bevel tip attachment screws. Secure the screws tightly. Attach the bevel head and secure tightly with 17mm and 19mm keys. Attach the bevel head cover. Secure the attachment screw. Using the beveler. Set around the pipe. Tighten the gripper. The bevel head wheel lean to the pipe material. Test that the beveler moves smoothly around the pipe. Turn on the motor. Lower the bevel head as long as you hear it touching the pipe wall. The lower you adjust, the deeper the bevel is. The bevel head wheel must lean to the pipe material. It holds on to the direction. The bevel head is lifted by pressing the handle button. Open the gripper. Remove the beveler. The limiter unit is only for visual height inspection, not for limiting the height adjustment.